Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So what we need to do, just consistently keep closing above the yellow line, okay, the 20 EMA. That's all you need to keep doing, okay? Keep focused on that. If Bitcoin starts to come down and close below that, think about your position, okay? I'll try and give you the top. I'll try and give you the key resistances. But for me, the most important thing we need to keep doing, and we are doing, on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, is keep closing above the 20 EMA on those time frames. Now, Bitcoin here has been closing above the 20 EMA since April 2020. That's 24 months. It's 2 years that Bitcoin has spent above the 20 EMA on the monthly time frame, and it does look like it's going to continue, okay? But there's no guarantees. I don't know how long it can go on for, but when it doesn't do it, you're going to come down to the 55. So remember that, okay? Remember I told you that. So right now on the weekly, we've been in this downtrend. We've corrected. You're getting back above the EMAs there. The buy go to the beach, after this capitulation, this corona dump in 2020 as well. You've been above the 20 and then you've come down. You consolidate between. You lost the 55 just there and you got back above. I mean, look at what happens when you stay and close above the 20. These are the kind of impulse and moves you can put in, okay? Whenever everyone's really doubtful and fearful. It's all about staying above that yellow line on your time frames. You can do this on any time frame, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Stay above that yellow line, bounce off it, you're in an uptrend. Lose it, you're consolidating. Lose the 55, you're in a downtrend. Do you understand that? So yeah, I mean, Bitcoin came down here. It's had this correction, but it created this beautiful reversal pattern, okay, W bottom pattern just there under the EMAs, and right now you're breaking out and you're getting back above the 20. So right now we've had that beautiful close last week, and right now if Bitcoin doesn't roll over today, you're going to get a second close. So it's all about keep closing above that 20. We can keep doing that. Bitcoin can go anywhere. You can see it can. Look, I'm not lying to you. You start closing above and keep holding it. What do? You're in a whopping uptrend, my friend, okay? Remember, the trend is your friend until the end. Break the trend, make a new friend. Right now, you've been in a downtrend. You consolidate here, looking to hold these lows to retrace to this high, okay? And boom, you're going to break out, but you didn't. You capitulated. You come down. You've had a big ABC correction potentially down to these lows. And right now, you're cutting up, looking for the exclusive impulsive break, okay? Now, if we can close and keep closing above a 20 on the weekly, bullish as hell, okay? And on the daily, the same principle, okay? The more you zoom in, the more sort of quicker and the more sort of volatile it is. So just here, you're coming down on the daily, running into resistance, you're confirming a downtrend because you run into the EMAs. Remember, you're below the EMAs, so you're in a downtrend. And right here, you consolidate between, trying to get back above. Your support's higher, creeping up. Right now, you're busted out, and you're right now confirming an uptrend on the daily time frame because you've got a buy and go to the beach, which is like rocking horse shit on the daily. Look, the last one you put in was last year after this downtrend under the EMAs, broken out, fell back into a support, pretty much like what you're doing right now, and that only offered opportunity. Look, just there, what did that offer? Opportunity. If you could go back right there and buy it, what would you do? Okay, again, nothing to say is financial advice, everything's for education and entertainment purposes only, but you're confirming an uptrend on the daily time frame, which is the third most important time frame, okay? So right now, if Bitcoin holds this support, you're going to be in technical targets to the upside, okay? So that's basically Bitcoin. You're in an uptrend on the monthly, the weekly, the daily. So be it. That's what it is. Don't ignore price action. So, there's never any guarantees that Bitcoin's not going to roll over or anything like that. But you have to adhere to price structure, and, being above the EMAs is the most important thing you want to see in your charts. And that's exactly what you've got on the 3 most important time frames here, okay? So that's basically Bitcoin. Hopefully next couple of weeks, we'll get a nice little breakout on Bitcoin, start to come back up the stairs and get this retracement on to this high. And if we can start to take out that high, then you're going to be in targets to the upside, okay? Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.